Hi, everyone, and welcome to Talk Tuesday. So, I saw an article when I opened up Google this morning, and I had to chuckle when I saw it because the article title just made me pause. I was like, say what? Anyway, as you can see, it says bride calls off wedding when bald groom's wig falls off mid ceremony. Yeah. How's how'd you not know he was bald? But that was my first reaction. But then I read the article and realized, oh, okay. So it says a bride in India reportedly called off her wedding when the groom passed out on his way to, I think it's called the mandip or the altar. And when he fell, his wig fell off. And of course, about 85% of the marriages in India are arranged marriages. So of course, I was like, that's why she didn't know he was bald. But she doesn't know like real hair texture to like synthetic. I'm just asking the question. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to be laughing about this. So she was upset, rightly so, that her family didn't know. And of course, his family kept it secret. And I guess it's some bad thing to be bald. But I also get the point of if you lie about something as simple as that, what else would you lie about? So kudos to her for calling off the wedding, allegedly, as it says in the article. But um, they actually have called the police. Like this has been taken to the police. And I think it's called a Panyat meeting was called. So this is something serious. And I know different cultures, etc. Here in the US, we'd be like, sir, get over yourself. Ma'am, kudos to you. But yeah, not taken very well when you allegedly are putting your best foot forward and you pass out and your wig falls off. Okay, so all right, let me get it together. Anyway, we're coming up on wedding season, and for those that know me personally, know that I am a wedding fanatic. Love all things wedding. But anyway, I digress. This hilarious little topic. What do you think? What are your thoughts on the bride calling it off because he lost his wig? There's so many jokes. Anyway, I mean, we all know that 9 times out of 10, women are jazzing themselves up. I'll put it that way. And aren't men allowed to do the same? There's competition out here. Everybody's got to be the best looking and the best this and the best that, best dress. That just a little zhuzh to the head gave him an upper, a step up above all the others. Now, if truth be told, she probably liked his hair and was truly embarrassed when she realized that it wasn't his hair. He bought it. But then again, that is his hair, right? I'm sorry. But today, for Talk Tuesday, is a silly topic. Um, you know, hopefully he's not sick. And that's the reason why he is bald. Because I guess if baldness is looked down upon over there, that's interesting in many different ways. But don't worry, bald men of the U.S. Many women love you just the way you are. Take off those toupees, wigs, hair pieces, and just be yourself. Just be yourself. actually shave off so that your forehead doesn't look like it's to the middle of your head. I'm just saying. All right. Well, I've been silly enough. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time to the channel, or maybe your second or third, and you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, please do. If you want to support the channel on a monthly basis, please check out the membership tab for more information on that. I appreciate each and every one of you. Be well, wear your mask. Take care, everybody. Bye.